Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free? I want to sit here for a while.
Hi, yes, it is free. Please sit down. My name is Alex.
Thank you, Alex. My name is Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia. You look a little busy today. Are you waiting for someone?
No, I am alone today. I am just taking a short break. I also want to practice my English.
That is a good idea. We can talk in English together. What do you want to talk about today?
I want to learn how to talk about my job. I want simple words and simple sentences. Can you help me?
Of course, I can help you. Talking about your job is very useful. Let's start with a simple question.
Okay. What question should I learn first? I want to sound polite.
A common question is, what do you do? Another polite one is, what is your job? You can also say, where do you work?
Great. So I can ask you first. Alex, what do you do?
I work in an office. I am a project manager. I help my team plan work and finish tasks.
Project manager sounds interesting. What do you do every day at work? Do you have meetings?
Yes, I have meetings most days. I check emails and talk to my team. I also make simple plans for the week.
I see. I work part-time now. I work in a small cafe near my home.
That is a nice job. What do you do in the cafe? Do you talk to customers a lot?
Yes, I talk to customers every day. I take orders and make drinks. I also clean tables and help my coworkers.
That is good practice for English. You can say, I work as a barista. You can also say, I work in customer service.
I like that. I work as a barista. I work with coffee, tea, and snacks.
Perfect. Now you can add time. You can say, I work in the morning, or I work in the evening.
I usually work in the afternoon. I start at 2 p.m. and I finish at 7 p.m.
That is clear and simple. I work full-time. I start at 9 a.m. and I finish at 5:30 p.m.
Do you work from Monday to Friday? Or do you work on weekends too?
I usually work from Monday to Friday. Sometimes I work on Saturday, but not often. On Sunday, I rest.
That sounds good. I work on weekends a lot. Weekends are busy in a cafe.
Yes, that makes sense. When a place is busy, time goes fast. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. I like talking to people and making drinks. But sometimes I feel tired.
That is normal. You can say, I like my job, but it is tiring. You can also say, it is busy, but I learn a lot.
I like my job, but it is tiring. It is busy, but I learn a lot. I feel happy when customers smile.
That is a great sentence. Now let's talk about your workplace. You can say, my coworkers are friendly.
My coworkers are friendly. My boss is kind, too. The cafe is small but cozy.
Very good. In my office, my team is helpful. My boss is strict sometimes, but fair.
Strict but fair sounds good. What do you do when you feel stressed at work? I feel stressed sometimes.
When I feel stressed, I take a short break. I drink water and breathe slowly. After that, I work again.
I do that too. In the cafe, I take a short break and drink tea. Then I smile and talk again.
Nice. Smiling helps in customer service. Now, let's practice more job questions.
Okay. Alex, where do you work? Can you tell me the place?
I work in a technology company in the city. The office is on the 10th floor. It is a modern building.
Wow, 10th floor. Do you go to work by car or do you take the train?
I usually drive to work. Sometimes I take the train when traffic is bad. The train is fast.
I usually take the bus. The bus stop is near my home. It takes about 20 minutes.
Great. That is good daily life English. You can say, it takes 20 minutes to get to work.
It takes 20 minutes to get to work. Sometimes it takes longer when it rains. The bus is slow then.
Yes, rain can change the day. Now, do you have a future job goal? Do you want a different job later?
Yes, I do. I study at college now. In the future, I want to work in marketing.
That is a nice plan. For A2 English, you can say, I want to work in marketing. You can also say, I want to work in an office.
I want to work in marketing. I want to help a company talk to customers. I want to learn more skills.
Good. In marketing, you can use emails, social media, and simple ads. You can say, I write simple posts, or I help with events.
I like events. I like planning small things. But I am still a beginner, so I need simple English first.
And you are doing well. Now, let's practice a short self-introduction for work. You can start with your name and your job.
Okay, I will try. My name is Sophia. I work as a barista in a café.
That is excellent. Now, add one more sentence about your duties. Use I plus a verb.
I take orders and make drinks. I talk to customers and help my team. I work part-time.
Very clear. Now, I will do mine. My name is Alex, and I work as a project manager.
Nice. Can you add your duties too? I want to hear simple sentences.
Sure. I plan work with my team. I have meetings and write emails. I help people finish tasks on time.
On time is a good phrase. It is short and easy. I want to use it too.
Yes, it is common. You can say, I come to work on time, or I finish my work on time.
I come to work on time. I try to finish my tasks on time. Sometimes it is hard on busy days.
That is honest and natural. Now, Sophia, do you have a job interview soon?
Yes, I have an interview next week. I feel nervous. I want to answer job questions well.
I understand. Let's practice simple interview questions. A common one is, tell me about yourself.
That question feels big. I do not know what to say. Can you give me a simple answer?
Yes, you can say, my name is Sophia. I am a student and I work part-time as a barista. Then add, I am friendly and hardworking.
My name is Sophia. I am a student and I work part-time as a barista. I am friendly and hardworking.
Great. Another question is, why do you want this job? You can answer with simple reasons.
I can say, I want this job because I want to learn, or because I like teamwork. Is that okay?
Yes, that is perfect. Keep it simple and true. You can also say, I want to grow and help the company.
I want this job because I want to learn and grow. I like teamwork and I like helping people. I want to help the company.
Very good. Another question is, what are your strengths? That means what you do well.
My strengths are: I am polite. I am careful with details. I can work with people.
Excellent. You can say, I am polite and reliable. You can also say, I learn fast if it is true for you.
I am polite and reliable. I learn fast when I practice. I also stay calm with customers.
That sounds great for many jobs. Now, they may ask, What are your weaknesses? That means what is difficult for you.
Oh, that is hard. I do not want to sound bad. What can I say?
You can choose something small and show improvement. For example, sometimes I am shy, but I practice speaking. That is honest.
Sometimes I am shy, but I practice speaking. I try to speak more every day. I want to improve.
Perfect. Now let's practice a short dialogue like an interview. I will ask, you answer.
Okay, I am ready. Please go slowly. I want to understand each question.
Sure. What is your job now? What do you do at work?
I work as a barista in a café. I take orders and make drinks. I talk to customers and clean tables.
Great. Why do you want a new job? Why do you want to change?
I want a new job because I want more experience. I want to work in marketing in the future. I want to learn new skills.
Nice answer. What kind of schedule do you want? Full-time or part-time?
I want part-time now because I study. Later, I want full-time. I can work more after graduation.
Very clear. Now, ask me a job question again. Practice the real daily lifestyle.
Okay. Alex, what do you like most about your job? What makes you happy at work?
I like working with my team. I like solving problems and finishing projects. I feel happy when we succeed together.
That is nice. I like working with people too. I feel happy when customers say, "Thank you."
That is a great feeling. Now, some people ask about salary, but you can keep it simple. You can say, I get paid every month.
I get paid every week in my cafe. It helps me pay for school. I also save a little money.
That is responsible. I get paid every month. I also get a bonus sometimes, when the year is good.
Bonus is a new word for me. It means extra money, right? Like a reward?
Yes, exactly. A bonus is extra money from the company. Not everyone gets it every time.
I understand. In my cafe, I get tips sometimes. Tips are small extra money from customers.
Yes, tips are common in cafes. Now, Sophia, let's practice a strong closing sentence for an interview. Something polite.
Like, thank you for your time? I hear people say that. Is it good?
Yes, it is very good. You can say, thank you for your time. I hope to work with you. Keep a warm smile.
Thank you for your time. I hope to work with you. I will practice that again at home.
Great plan. You are improving step by step. Your English sounds clear and natural.
Thank you, Alex. You helped me a lot today. I feel more confident now.
You are welcome, Sophia. Practice a little every day, and you will get better. If you want, we can meet here again.
Yes, I would like that. Maybe next weekend. Same time? I can bring my notes.
Next weekend sounds good. We can talk about work routines and office words. Have a great day, Sophia.
You too, Alex. Thank you again for the help. See you next weekend.